Hey, so like I mentioned you a few seconds ago, now I'm going to show you how to set up collections and categories. So to go over to collections, just click right here on this button, which is in your Shopify admin panel under products. So you'll see the collection that Shopify created as default, which is named generally front page, or it might be named home page. So to add a collection, just click at the bottom at the top right corner. Collections are a way to categorize your products. Once you have a specific product, it shows related products at the bottom that people might be interested in as well. So this is called a form of cross-selling or upselling. So just click on the, I'm going to click on the home page to show you really quick. You will see pretty much everything that has to do with the collection, which is very similar, as you can see, to the product creation page. In title, you see, as you see here, this is already created for some products that I have already in stores. So in title, for example, just keep it front page, or you can name it home page. In this case, for example, I'm going to insert let's say like hair loss treatment products or bright magnetic earrings. Every single hair loss treatment product or t-shirt or earrings, type of earrings, will end up on the home page. You can put in a description, but it's not really necessary. In my case, I'll say something like, you know, if I sell hair products, for example, in this great collection, you will find hair loss treatment shampoos, oils, peels, and other related products. If I sell earrings, I'd say the same thing. Like in this great collection, you'll find, bright earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and other related products. You can insert the collection image too, and in the products section here, you can add your t-shirts and sort them alphabetically. Of course, if you sell t-shirts or if you sell any other physical products, you can just do that as well. You can manually sort the collection too. I always select manually, so I can do it like, manual. And when you scroll down, you see the search engines section, which is the same as explained before. So don't play with this stuff now. Just leave it as it is. It's already preloaded. So you have pretty much the same features as in the product section, like visibility as well. Now go back to the collection homepage, and I'll show you quickly. How to create a collection. So just click on the Add Collection button at the top, so I can walk you through adding a new collection entirely from scratch. So you can add many details, like a title, like I said, for any type of apparel or anything else that you are selling online, like I explained before, especially with t-shirts. Like I mentioned you before, you can just call it, like, you can keep it like a homepage or hair loss treatment products, bright earrings, anything like that. Usually things are split up by sex, so either it's men's collections or women's collections, and sometimes you will have juniors and children collections too. So in the title, right now I'll just put men's. Scroll down to the conditions right now, and this is actually a very cool feature. The conditions is basically a way to get products either manually or automatically added to a collection, and it's all based on the conditions that you can add. So you can say that the products must match all conditions or any conditions. You can add as many conditions as you want. For example, oil products, in my case, or bright earrings. Make sure to automatically select products based on conditions. This one right here. Scroll down and you are back to the search engines features again, which is the same as before. There again, you'll see visibility, which is the same access feature as before. And that's it for now. This is pretty much about it. Now your collection is going to be created. You will just click on Save Collection. Oh, here's the visibility I was talking to you about, right here at the top. So you will just save the collection. You will, after that, you just go preview your store to be sure your products are set up correctly. Now I want to show you quickly how you can create gift cards. So to get to this section, just select gift cards, which is here under the collections tab. Here you can sell gift cards from your store. To be able to sell these cards, you have to upgrade either to the professional plan or to the unlimited plan. Gift cards work exactly the way that products do from your Shopify store. You can add as many variations as you want. This is not very difficult, it's very easy. If you don't want to upgrade, just go to the App Store and do a quick search for gift cards apps. The apps aren't free, must have to be paid for. However, you pay only once for the app and you don't have to pay the monthly fee. So just go ahead and check it out. Gift cards are a great way to get your customers coming back and make future purchases, or to get them to share with friends and family. Same thing pretty much with the discounts. Just go into the administration panel and click on discount, which is here. Just click there. You can create, as you can see. First, you can insert a custom code for each discount. You can call it like, something like, if I click here at discount code, you can create, you can name it like, something like loyal 50, which is 50% off for loyal customers. Or you can have Shopify create the code for you by clicking on generate code, which is here, right here. Choose how many times you want it to be available. In discount type, you can you can create different types of discounts. You can offer a dollar value discount, percentage based, or free shipping. You can also specify the date range. So once you have done all of this, just save it and you will see that the code is available. This is not editable once it's done, so just remember that. So that's it now for this lesson, but I'll be back with you soon.